This is abutment trying kit by Neodent. It has 30 kinds of abutment which you can try on a model and select the abutment required for your case. You can use these abutment intraorally also to select the GH and the width of abutment. For example, in this case, when I took the scan, my designer was confused which abutment to choose. So I made a model, print it, and then I tried straight abutment, and it was okay. As she was saying that straight abutment cannot be used in this case, but after making model, you can see we can easily use straight abutment here. So there is a driver in the abutment trying kit. We can use this driver and use this abutment intraorally as well as on the model to tighten it and select the abutment GH, and abutment height can also be selected. She was suggesting that 17-degree abutment will be better. So I just put this 17-degree abutment in different angles and showed her that this is not a suitable abutment for this case, and we can easily proceed this case with the straight abutment. You can see here that angulated abutment is not suitable for this case.